Hey everyone, I hope you've been well, and I won't drag this announcement out with a video that is extremely long and obnoxious. For the foreseeable future, in the name of streamlining my content and my work and my time, I will be taking this channel in the automotive direction with the content that I will be providing for you all. I streamed here on YouTube last Tuesday, which will be a thing on Tuesdays and Thursdays now, and I was talking about the content shift with my buddy Slacker. As the video rolls along, I will explain my decision in depth, so I'll get out of the way and let myself do the talking. Is Disneyland in LA?
No, Disneyland's in Anaheim.
Oh, okay.
That's a separate shithole.
Anaheim or Disneyland? So his body just dropped in front of me. Oh!
There it is.
Tell you what, after going down to Disney, I'm like, I need to get caught up on some of the newer, like, Pixar ones. Like, I don't think I had never watched Brave before we went down there, and I come back and watch that, and, like, half of the movie, I'm like, this actually isn't that bad. And then the back half of the movie, I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's one. Yeah, I've heard a lot about
What the
how
frick?
that movie goes.
Fuck.
I haven't seen that one either.
Oh. It's like, yeah, very much first half, I'm like, I'm buying. And then, like, after, like, the big, like, plot moment, I'm like, what? Dude, my aim is so bad.
What's the plan with the automotive streams? When are those starting?
So, my plan is to, like, I was gonna do, like, a video on it, but I figured that I'd just, like, rather just do it through streams. Because video is just going to be me like, hey, I know that I changed my content around a couple of times, and I'm doing it again. So the plan is to, with, like, all the restoration stuff that we have in the shop right now, is I'm going to go down and work a Saturday and spend half of that time filming me doing, like, restoration work on, like, a customer's vehicle and make that into a YouTube video, and then stream doing, like, my truck restoration, like, keep those separate but be able to make videos from both.
Okay.
So that way I should be able to make a couple videos a week, and I'm kind of, like, streamlining work and, like, my personal stuff so I can, like, stream and record, and we can get more stuff done in the shop, and, you know, it's a little bit more, it's better for me financially doing that, and that provides content for me, and we get caught up enough that I can stream down at the shop and, like, work on my truck and make stuff from that. So kind of gearing it more towards probably do a couple of game streams in the week, but do more stuff like this or Apex or whatever, where I just come up and I'm not trying to play through a single player game and freaking take like 4 weeks to do it or whatever, you know what I mean? Just
For sure.
just light shit, and then do like a shop stream a week and get a couple videos out. I just think it's going to be easier to make more content, and I feel like that the more content that I do make, that it'll, I think it just, by doing more, that you just get better, you know, through more experience. That's what's been tough, is trying to do like video essay stuff or the game reviews. Is just that shit is just so damn time consuming, and
Yeah, I bet.
like, I mean, trying to work full-time and do that. This map is garbage, dude. Holy shit.
Garbage.
Especially for SWAT. Just, like, camp in the
Yeah.
middle. So, like, with the video essay thing is, like, I really like that. And, you know, it's just, by the time, you know, you watch whatever and, you know, you write your script and then you basically upload it and hope that the freaking copyright gods don't freaking puke out half your video.
Yeah.
And then with the game reviews, I know I only did a couple of them, but, you know, I freaking, like, Metroid Dread, I was going to do a review on that. That took me, like, 12 hours to play through, and then, you know, by the time you freaking edit it, and, you know, the way that I like to do things, there's, like, 8 hours there, at least. So 20 hours for one video, like, that doesn't make fucking sense with trying to stream, with trying to work. So the idea is, like, not make shittier videos, but, you know, a vlog video with edits is easier than what I've been doing.
Yeah.
And with working while I do it, you know, it's like, I'm not like shitting out time that I don't have.
Yeah, for sure.
The automotive stuff, like, I I think that I'm pretty interested in the stuff that like we're working on, and I think that it has a lot of potential. And like that path on YouTube, I think especially streaming it is way less crowded than just like doing video game stuff.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's cool though. I mean, yeah. I think doing like an IRL kind of thing like that, especially like car restoration. That's something I don't think I've, as like consistent content creation. That's not something I've ever seen. It's not ever something I've looked for either. But
yeah, I mean, there's definitely people that do it on YouTube.
Definitely a market for it.
There's definitely there's some people that try and stream like automotive stuff on Twitch, but it just gets freaking buried in the just chatting section. So, like,
yeah, I was thinking like, where would that go on Twitch? I guess that's the strength of having it on YouTube. But.
Yeah, I mean, that was like kind of my whole thing, and then friggin' shit just got super busy. But I know that, like, I didn't move to YouTube just with the idea that, frickin' Twitch is dying. I'm just gonna come over here and have like 40 fucking people watching me at once. Like,
yeah,
you have to supplement your content. You can't just.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, I'm not Tim. You can't just stream every day.
Yeah.
So, like, the idea is that it's like this ecosystem of, one feeds the other. So, come out with a video on, like, a Tuesday or something, and then stream the next day or whatever. I mean, that was kind of the plan before I got dummy thick busy. Like, I've got this, like, really big idea for, trying to do gaming and, like, I've got like a whole giant thing that I would like to do, but it just requires to like being able to go full time in this to like have the time to do it. You know what I mean? Like I can't just do all this shit at once. I hope that makes everything make a little more sense. I will also be live streaming my restorations here on YouTube as well. I honestly think this will give me more time to live stream because there's still goals that I have in that space. I need to still finish Alien Isolation. I still owe a 24-hour stream where I'm dressed as Lara Croft playing Tomb Raider games. That was a charity incentive, and I'm stoked that we raised the money that we did. Not totally stoked about dressing up as Lara Croft, but it'll be fun. And I still need a solo Axis. Believe me, all of that is still in the back of my mind, especially Axis. The next video will be an automotive one, so I hope you're ready for that. If you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be very much appreciated. And if you don't give me a thumbs up and you dislike it, I can't see the dislikes anyway, so it's kind of whatever. Much love, everyone. Muted out.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I get the deluxe one, like right.
Yes, sir. Second place.
Vic.
Silver medal, yes, sir.
Sir.
Puts on Canadian Summer Olympics attire.
And like smacking the girl's
Oh,
ass.
the jean jacket.
Yes, sir.